If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. You can also easily record a customer's down payment or a prepayment in QuickBooks Online. To do this, record the payment in the Receive Payment window for the customer. Doing this then generates a customer credit which can be applied to future invoices for the customer. To record a down payment or prepayment, click the plus new button in the navigation bar and then click the Receive Payment link under the Customer's heading in the drop-down menu to open the Receive Payment window. Select the customer for whom you are recording the down payment or prepayment from the Customer drop-down. Follow the same steps as when recording a full customer payment for a single invoice. Simply enter the payment date, method, deposit account, and amount. If you are recording a down payment or prepayment for a current customer, ensure that none of the items in the outstanding transactions list are checked. If any are checked, the amount is applied to them and not recorded as a down payment or prepayment. Uncheck all these transactions if needed to ensure the total amount received will be converted into a customer credit. When finished, click either the Print, Save and Send, Save and Close, or Save and New button in the toolbar at the bottom of the window to record the down payment or prepayment and create a customer credit for the full amount, which you can later apply to a customer invoice. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.